Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Coco. Today is Monday, so this will be another episode of Makeup Monday. I know what you're thinking. Sis ain't got no makeup on. We are going makeup free for today's Makeup Monday video because we're going to be talking skincare. And not just skincare, but we're talking cleansing the skin. We're talking keeping a clean face. If you are like me and you fall asleep with makeup on, this is a judgment-free zone, okay? I pull off the lashes and it's exhausting. I just fall asleep, it's not my fault. But if you too tend to fall asleep with makeup on, then this is definitely for you because you may wake up and go about your typical cleansing routine using your fingertips or a washcloth or what have you, but do you really think that you're getting all of that makeup, all of that dust and dirt, all of that pollution, all of those hazardous, harmful solvents and just whatever's in the air off of your skin? You're playing yourself. Okay, I want to thank Duvolle for sponsoring this video and for sending me the Radiance Skincare System. If you have been following me for a while or if you've binge watched any of my playlists, you will know that I have used Duvolle's Radiance Skincare System before. I actually have my old set here and I'm actually kind of embarrassed to show you guys what it looks like because I really ran this to the last possible use. This is my old one. Let's not talk about it. But I pretty much had to stop using this brush head altogether, and yeah. What I love about the Spincare system is that it does come with a cleansing brush, an exfoliating brush, a body brush, and a pumice stone for them crackling feet, sis. If you don't need it, give it to your man. I'm sure he does. But rather than talk your head off about the skincare system, I'm going to show you how I use my spin brush and the cleansing brush and the exfoliation brush to get all of last night's makeup off of my face. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to wash all of this off just with my fingers. And so I'm going to be taking my Atomy Herbal body cleanser, which I also use for my face, and I'm just going to get all in there and we're going to see how much comes off. Sticking a little bit. So on first glance, that initial wash seems to have taken off most of, if not almost all, of the makeup that was on my face. Let's find out if that was true or not. So I'm going to take my Duvolle Radiance Skincare handle and I'm going to attach the cleansing brush, which is the slightly darker of the two small rounds. One in the pack is bright white and one is slightly darker, and that is the cleansing brush. I'm going to wet it a little bit with just a little water. And then I'm going to do one pump of my soap onto the brush. And we're gonna see what happens. Lord Jesus, it's a fire. All right. You can see it's already slightly brown, which means that even though my face looked pretty clean, survey says it's a lashes. Now, if you are like me and you wear makeup pretty often, you are going to want to exfoliate your skin at least once a week. Not once a week, once a week, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing, wetting the brush head slightly, pumping one pump of the soap onto my brush and gently rotating or just moving the brush across my skin, straight on, head on, and not at an angle. Now at this point, since we've used our cleansing brush head already, you'll see the exfoliating brush head remains pretty white as I glide it across my skin because now my face is actually clean. We're just exfoliating it, okay? Don't use your fingers. Use a spin brush, okay? Things that make me happy. Now to cleanse the brush head, you just need to rinse them in warm water and everything comes right off. So super easy to clean. I'm gonna rinse off my face, pat it dry. And now for the remainder of my skincare routine, I'm going to take a cotton pad and my Atomy Toner, and I'm just going to apply a couple of pumps of this directly onto the cotton pad. I like about 4 or 5 pumps because I like to make sure that the product gets on my face. And I just apply that always in upward motions. I don't want to drag my face any further down than life is already dragging it, okay? Just making sure I'm covering all of my face and even some of my neck. Because why not? Okay? Because why not? So once I've done that, I'm going to go in with my Atomy Essence and I'm going to apply that on my face as well. But I'm going to apply it directly on by pumping a few so I'm not wasting the product. And a little bit goes a long way with this, so I don't need that much. And I'm just going to rub that in, again, in upward circular motions. Don't forget your neck, okay? Some of you are neglecting your neck. Neck neglect is like a crime, okay? Don't do it. Stop at 5. People still say that. And then last but not least, I'm going to apply my lotion, my face lotion, and I'm going to apply this the same way that I just applied the essence, by just applying a few drops directly to my face and neck and then rubbing it in. So, forehead, cheeks, chin, neck, nose. That looks beautiful. And then very gently, mainly with my middle finger and ring finger fingertips, I'm going to rub that in. I love you, skin. I love you, pores. I just don't want to see you anymore. I love you, cheekbones. I love you, under eye. You have to speak, whisper sweet nothings to your skin as you do this. Stay up. Stay up. Don't sag. It's sagging because it's sad. Sagging is a sign of sad. You want happy skin. Happy skin. Be happy. Are you happy, skin? Yes. Be happy. There we go. Oh, yes. And voila. Clean face, moisturized face, smooth face. Yeah. Yes. That's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Makeup Monday video. All of the information that you need is in the description box below, including everything about the Atomy products and the Radiance Skincare System. Now, there may be a coupon code in the description box. I don't know. If I were you, I would check it out because you might save a cute coin. I don't know, sis. I don't know your life. I don't know your wallet. All I know is there may be a coupon code and a way for you to have a clean face for less coin. Down there. Well, not down there. In the description box, okay? Thanks. Now, it's rude to come to someone's house, be fed, and then leave just like that. You gotta bring something to the table. So how about you hit that subscribe button so we can keep congregating here. Make sure you tap that bell because we don't want you to be late to the party. The chicken's gonna be gone, the mac and cheese is definitely gonna be finished. There's not gonna be no more sweet potato. Like, come on, bruh. Hit that bell. Be on time for once in your life. No, but for real, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and join the family. And of course, I will see you guys next time. Bye.